Welcome everyone to Digitex. This is a landing page design training, and I'm really glad that you are opportune to be watching this video. So, we all know what landing page is all about. But for those of you who may not know much about landing page, I will briefly discuss what landing page is all about. Landing page. What is landing page? We need to get that one correctly first. So a landing page is a page of your website, a particular page on your website that is designed to convert visitors into leads. It is different from other pages of your website in that it follows both of these criteria. Number one, it has a form that allows you to capture the visitor's information in exchange of a desired offer. That is it. So when you see a web page with these characteristics, it's called what? A landing page. It has a form that visitors will fill. Okay, fill this form to get offer B. That is it. That's a landing page. And number two, the sole purpose of a landing page is to convert visitors into a lead. That is it. To turn them to a customer. The home page of your website with a form on it does not count as a landing page. Why? Because it serves other purpose. But the landing page is just a page designed for a singular purpose. No distraction. Nothing else is inviting them. It's just designed for one particular purpose. So you can simply put the landing page is any page that has a form on it and does not include other distraction. I'm going to explain this distraction we are talking about. So let me come to my Digitex website. So digitex.com.ng. You will see the distractions that are on the web page that makes it not a landing page. So this is the home page of my website. Look at the distraction we're talking about. Look at dashboard, my account, start learning, advanced course. That makes it not a landing page. If it's a landing page, if I'm talking about a pencil, every details on the page will focus on the pencil. Are you getting that? Look at it. All these one are distraction, a lot of things that are not solely representing what I want or what I intend to pass across. That distraction. From here, you can lead you to different other places. So it's not a landing page. Now, let me show you an example of a landing page. So, example of a landing page. So look at this 20 digital skills. Can you see? It's only talking about the offer. No, you can see no distraction. Talking about only the offer, and there is a form here. By the time you click on this form, yes, I want my free training. It will lead you to another page where you join my group. Is that it? So this is a landing page. No distraction, nothing, only the offer. So this is a landing page. So landing page is designed towards converting a visitor to a lead. By the time you fill this form and you supply your details, you have been actually turned to a lead. I have your details with me. I can decide to remarket you, to send you some other information about something product that is not related to this. Why? Because I have your emails, I have your name, I have your details with me. That is it. So that is just that about a landing page. A landing page may be for a product, maybe for those of you selling product, maybe for training, maybe for anything possible you are doing without distraction. By the time from your landing page, people can go to, maybe you are talking about soap making, people can go to fashion design, people can go to, it's not a landing page. So a landing page makes customers to be focused on what they are looking for on your website. So if it is chocolate you want to advertise to them, every information on the page will be talking about what? Chocolate. So let's go to the practical aspect now. Now you get the points. So how do we design a landing page? We come to our pages. From pages, you click add new. Give it your page a name, Digitex Training. So you come here, you go to page attributes. On the left, you can see the cursor. You change it to what? Elementor Canvas. Note that a name, templates, Elementor Canvas. You get it right. If you like, you may put a feature image so that when people click on the link, put on WhatsApp or something, that feature link will appear like an image on the website, on the landing page rather. So let's just give it a name. Okay, let's use any picture here. Okay, let's use this. Then you click on what? Publish. So for those of you, okay, where will I get the link to my landing page or the page I just created? You can copy the link here. Immediately you click on publish. So let's open another tab. Let's paste the link. So this is the link. If you check the link now, everything is what? Blank. Because nothing has been put there. No design, nothing. So this is practical class. That's why I just have to just show you some of this. So let's go back to what we are designing. So as soon as you are done with that, you click on what? Edit with Elementor. Look at the steps. So you follow the step one by one so that you don't get confused. Follow the step one by one. Then you click on what? Edit with Elementor. Depending on the speed of your internet, it will take just a few seconds. Now, as you're about starting our design, before you come to your work area, you must have an inspiration. Inspiration says that the picture of what you want to design. Okay, I want to design a landing page for my products. Do you have a picture of how that thing will look like? Because if you have the picture of how that thing will look like, it will enable you to have a kind of a focal point or focus on what you are designing. That is very important. Okay, I want to design a landing page for a particular product. Let's say health product, maybe Baba Jebu, or soap making. You must have the picture of how I want this thing to look like, the information I want to pass across to people. So it's what to determine what will be on your landing page. Either, okay, I want to put video on the landing page so that people will watch the video, or if they like the video, they will fill the form. That is it. You must have a kind of inspiration. It's the inspiration that will guide you on how to properly design your what? Your landing page. Get the inspiration. That's the first point. So, when you have the inspiration, I think the first thing you need to do is to give your something headline. So you click on the headline. I taught you before in a previous video how to drag and drop. So I'm not going to explain that. You already know that how to drag and drop in our understanding Elementor. So you drag the headline headings widget. You drag it to the center. You give it a name. Okay. Soap making. For free. So you come to your style, or let's alignment to the center. You come to your style, like I've explained before. Let's check the color. Okay, soap making. What kind of color can we use? So you must also be mindful of color combination. Color combination. If it is green, you want to use maybe green and white. So what you are designing must follow that pattern. Okay, I want to use green design. Okay, the color combination, the best color combination I want to use, okay, is yellow and white. So your design should portray that, and be mindful of color combination. That is it. Okay, the blue design I want to use. Okay, let's assume I want to stick with this color. So look at here. Look at the color code. So I'm going to copy the color code. I want it to get me so that you have a wonderful design. So let's assume I want to, let's put text. Okay. Okay, let's say youth skills empowerment. So I want to maintain the color combination. So you come here. So let's highlight this. Then you can come here. Then click, look at the color sign, text color. You click on custom. Then you put the color code here. Then you click on OK. So you align to the center, unless if you are designing from here. So let's go to the advanced part. Then you click on background. So okay. So can you see? So the color code is not working for text. Then you can come here. Then change this to white. Since the color combination we are using is a combination of white and, can you see? So youth empowerment training. So here you can you see? So other information you want to put on the landing page, you can put it here. So let me just copy some of the information I already have on one of my training page. Okay, let me just copy this and use it. So what you want to design, you must add the information. So it's information, you will put it here and make a very wonderful design. So if I want a more flexible something than what I'm getting in text editor, so I can use headline. Okay. Then you come here. So before we go, there's some things I need to remove. Okay. So I want to work, this is an empowerment training. So I want to work with that. And I come here, the text color. Let me work with the color code. So I will copy the color code. Then I will come back here and use the color code. Can you see? So the color will be consistent. I use the color code. Then from typography, then I can now design. Okay, this is what I want. Can you see? Then the text size. Can you see that? Can you see that? Are you getting something? So the text size, other something are still there that you can try out. So I need to check how this will look like on mobile phone. This is how it will look like on mobile phone. So I want this to be on a single line. So I will come here, the typography. So I work on the size from here. Can you see? So let me check how it will look like on iPad. It's still good. Then on desktop, fine. That is it. That is it. That is it. Then the remaining text can come under text editor. Text editor. If you have plenty of things to write, you use text editor. So let me copy some information that I have. So you must have your own information you want to use to design the landing page. So from here you can start editing the headline. Can you see? So look at these tools. If you want it to be bold and if you don't want it to be bold, you can see different options. If you want to align it to the center, it's there. So if you want to cross it, can you see? All these options are available for you to use. If you want to add a link to it, you can see, add a link. Then you copy the link you want to add to this text. Copy the link, then you paste it here, then click here. Then click on update. Now, we talked about a landing page where there is no distraction. Yes. We want to incorporate our form, which is WP form. And before now, I expect you to have done your WP form. And how do you integrate your WP form? Just come to the widget search here. You can click on WP form. WP. Or you click on, just search for form. Okay. Okay, contact form. I guess WP form is not installed on it, but there's a way I do it. Let's search for shortcode. If you install WP form on your website, you will see it. Shortcode. So this is the shortcode. You drag it, then you drop it here. You drag and drop. Then the shortcode in your WP form, you copy it, then you paste it, and then the form will appear here. So that when people see something here, they will fill the form with the information, especially for those of you selling products. You've already designed your form. Okay, the name, the address, the location, the number of products they want. Okay, they want 2 soap or 2 head products or 3 something. They will click it on your website. Okay, this is the product I want. They will select it. By the time after selection, the form will appear. They will fill the form. Then after filling the form, you get an email message notification containing the information and the number of products they want. Then you supply them. You call them. Then you supply them. Hope you are getting something. So let me just quickly take us to the form. So I'm going to the dashboard. So I'm going to quickly install WP Form. So this is the shortcode I'm talking about. So you copy the shortcode after creating your form. Can you see this form overview? After creating your form, this is the code I'm talking about. You copy it, then you come back to your Elementor page, then you put the code here. Can you see? So this is the form. So we still need to make some corrections on the form because it's not well aligned. You can still make some adjustments here. You can still make some corrections from advanced. Then you can also go to the form to make corrections. But that's not part of the topic we are considering today. You can come here to make some corrections to the form. The feed and some other stuffs. So let's just go back to the something, get the point. For you to effect the change, you just reload. You update, then you reload the page to bring the effect the change you've done on this something from the other side. So these are form. So the landing page contains two things: no distraction. Then there is a form where your customer can fill. Where your customer can put their information and supply it. So you can design how your landing page can look like. That is the major information you need to know. If you want to put another thing, just click on the positive plus sign. If you want to put image, you drag and drop the image. Then you upload it here. That's it. Come here and upload the image. If it's not here, then if it's on your system, then you select the file and upload it. Let's look for one image to upload. So that's how to upload an image. So look at the image now. Can you see? So this is the image. This image you can also make some adjustments. Like I've explained earlier, you can add caption, then you can add link so that when people click on the image to lead them to somewhere. That's if you want. Then come to the style. Use all these tools to adjust the image. Then anything you do is check the responsiveness, how it will look like on mobile phone. Is it making any sense? How it will look like. Are you getting something? So Then this, like I said earlier, okay, we want to stick to one particular color, the color combination, so that our site will make sense. So this black may not suit. Okay, look at the color of the black and this, you may actually go with it, you may leave it. But any kind of color riots on your site, you remove it. Small things, little things is what will determine maybe your website to look good. So this skill acquisition, it should be, the alignment should be at the center. Okay, see, so I think it's better this way. So they will read a piece of information. Okay, this information is making sense. They will fill in their details and they submit. That's the landing page. Just like this. The information is there, the form is here for them to fill. So you getting your information, design it well, work on the color combination, then you save. And we have different type of landing page depending on what you are using it for. But with this, you can design any form of landing page. Get two things at the back of your mind. There is a form for people to fill. No distraction. No distraction. No distraction. It's just that page is only meant for that particular product. That particular product. So I've explained some of these features in a previous lesson. So you can try out some of these features to have an amazing landing page. So thank you and God bless.